No, I don't necessarily agree on that, because financial services, as you know, it's a money guzzler business where you have to constantly provide capital. More capital you provide, better you do in this. But that does not necessarily mean that Grasim is really a cash cow, because it's ultimately the cash generation on the Grasim per se. The balance sheet is only the textile business. Otherwise, it's only the dividend which comes from Ultratech. But it's not only the financial services business, it's also telecom business, which is also a large guzzler of capital. So it's not only just the financial services. So they have really touted, this whole exercise has been done because Grasim shareholders will get some financial services shares as well. But look at it, it is a tag along is also telecom business, which is, according to me, Idea is one of the poorest businesses today to take on the might of Zio. So everyone knows about it very well on this, that Idea will have a major problem because they lack a spectrum. They will have to really burn a lot of cash fighting with Reliance Jio. So today, for anyone to say that, oh, Grasim balance sheet is a strong balance sheet, yes, today it is a strong balance sheet. But by bringing in these two businesses, which are really going to take so much of cash, is not serving anyone's purpose. The second point is AB-Nuvo. People who are buying AB-Nuvo shares, investors buying shares because wanting to have financial services shares. Now, what you have done by this restructuring, 57% will be held by Grasim and only 43% are being distributed. I don't think ever a shareholder bought AB-Nuvo shares only to get a 43% ride. Why should he get into holding a Grasim share? It's like today, if suppose the shareholding was not common, okay, of the Kumar Mangalam, Birla and these two companies, and Grasim and AB-Nuvo would have been a separate companies, not having this one conflicted shareholder. Do you think they would have ever merged? Do you think ever board of Grasim and AB-Nuvo would have found any reason to merge these two companies? Then you can merge even Hindalco tomorrow by the same definition. Why not merge Hindalco? Actually, to be honest to you, I have a feeling that this whole exercise is done today to increase from 30 to 39% holding of the promoter in the Grasim, and going forward, this will become a Pilani investment. What is Pilani investment? It has all companies, underlying companies, all listed companies, and it's a holdco. I think he wants to kill any interest of any shareholder in Grasim, and over a period of time creep in shares, because Grasim will be trading always at a discount of 50, 60, 70% to the underlying assets which it has, which are listed companies, and over a period of time Grasim becomes a Pilani investment. In fact, they did Pilani exactly the same way the Grasim is going today. And mind you, when Century comes in because of the personal and family restructuring on that, they will merge Century also, because it also has textile and cement, and they'll say, oh, this is a good reason for us to merge, say, Century Textile also into Grasim and increase our holding into that. And then last one is Hindalco. Take my word, if this merger goes through, it will be, next will be Century Textile, thereafter will be Hindalco. Grasim will be a holding company of the promoters with no interest by outside shareholders. That's what happened in Pilani.